this new Reno laser engraver, here's some of our initial thoughts. First of all, I really love the aesthetics of this machine. It's a very unique packaging for a laser. We certainly don't have a laser with as many design elements as this Reno Pro behind me here. So it actually looks really neat. Now, as far as pros to this machine, obviously a 65-watt glass laser tube is certainly powerful enough to cut through any material that you want, as well as doing some serious engraving. Now, I certainly love the fact that this machine comes with a quality DSP controller, which makes setup and use and certainly the gold standard for desktop CO₂ lasers. Another great feature about this machine is the work area. So we have the 65-watt machine behind us, which comes with a 600mm by 400mm workspace, which is just under 2 feet by 18 inches. That's an incredible amount of workspace given the size of this desktop CO₂ behind me. For comparison, the Onyx, which was a discontinued model from Monport, came with a work area of about 18 inches by 12 inches. So we've dramatically increased our workspace while not increasing our footprint of the laser itself. Now, Monport was able to increase this workspace by removing some of the features within the laser itself to make more room for that work area, such as an integrated chiller. So this machine does not come with an integrated chiller. It does come with a water pump that you can stick into a bucket of distilled water to cool that CO₂ to. Monport, however, now another feature of this machine is its speed. We're able to get speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, which is incredibly fast for a desktop machine. Other features that make this machine great is you can remove the honeycomb and have cutting blades, as well as removing the tray itself for easy cleaning. I also like the fact that with just a few screws, you can basically remove the whole top of the machine to get to all of the parts that you would need to. So overall, I think this Reno 65 Pro is a great mid-level desktop CO₂ laser. I think worthy of an upgrade from a K40 to this machine. If you're limited on workspace, this is a good spot.